Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, P is the percentage of power produced by solar panels, and T is the number of years since the year 2000. The derivative of P with respect to T. What does this mean? This means what is the rate of change in the percentage of power produced with respect to a change in time. The rate at which the percentage of power produced changes with respect to a change in time. Next, if we have the derivative of P with respect to T evaluated when T equals 2, remember T is the number of years, so 2 years since 2000, if this value equals 3.5, what does this mean? Well, the derivative of P with respect to T, think of that as the change in P with respect to a change in T. The derivative of P with respect to T is actually the limit of this quotient as delta T goes to 0. But we can approximate it. The derivative of P with respect to T can be approximated by this quotient delta P over delta T. So this is approximately 3.5. The derivative is exactly 3.5 when T equals 2. But we're using this quotient to approximate that derivative. And so delta P over delta T equals 3.5. So delta P is equal to, if we multiply both sides by delta P is equal to 3.5 times delta T. All right, let's remember what T and P are. T is the number of years that have elapsed since 2000. And P is the percentage of power produced. So, when T equals 2, so it's been 2 years since the year 2000, the rate at which the percentage of power being produced changes with respect to a change in the time is 3.5. So, when a little bit more time transpires beyond the 2-year mark, that would be your delta T. So delta T, a little bit more time, a portion of a year after the 2-year mark, so maybe another 0.1 years or another 0.2 years, some small number. The change in the percentage of power produced is going to equal 3.5 times that change in the time. So, as we move on past the 2-year mark, a small change in time multiplied by 3.5 will give you approximately the change in the percentage of power produced. So the change in the percentage of power produced is going to be 3.5 times the increment change in the time.